What is the main difference between group alerts and estimate alerts? I've set up a little example to walk us through it here. You'll note I have two rooms in this particular estimate, room 1 and room 2, with the same scope in both rooms. And on the right side in the inspection engine drawer of Xactexpert, you will see I have the same rule firing in both of these particular group alerts. Now, when you think about group alerts, I want you to put on your blinders because group alerts are only looking at the properties and the line items of that particular room. They're looking at the sketch, they're looking at the line items in that room. Group alerts are only going to fire because of something going on inside of that particular group or room. On the flip side, estimate alerts are looking at your entire scope, all of the sketch, all of the rooms, all of the line items. A group alert can fire multiple times inside of the same scope if you have the same reason or the same trigger that that alert is firing in multiple rooms. That's why you can see we have the same group alert firing in each room where it would be applicable in this particular scope. At the same time, estimate alerts will only ever fire once. There are one estimate rule per estimate. If your estimate triggers that particular alert, then it is going to fire once inside of that estimate. There it is. If you're trying to figure out, hey, where is this alert? Where is it firing? One of the other utilities to point out here is we are currently in room 1 looking at line items 1, 2, 3. And this group rule is looking for main level room 2. And you'll note the affected line item utility here. I can actually click on the hyperlinked blue and it will take me to the line item that is triggering that particular alert so I can see it in context to determine what's happening and what do I need to resolve this and or bypass it to explain why I'm doing it the way I'm doing it. Thank you.